Hey guys, I'm Faris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use an alert dialog in your Android project. The Android alert dialog class is used to display a dialog box to alert the user with positive and negative buttons. So to create an alert dialog, the step-by-step process is first, create an alert dialog builder using the activities context. And second, set message content using the builder. Third, set positive button text and action to be taken when the button is clicked using the builder. Number 4, we're gonna set a negative button text and action to be taken when the when the button is clicked using the builder. And number 5, create alert dialog from the builder. And number 6, you may set the title to the alert dialog box using set title method. So for this project, I've created my Android Studio project pre-built. So as always, we'll start with the activity main and we're going to complete the XML first. So we're going to start by deleting the default text view. We're not going to use that. Right, so now we're going to the palette and we're going to add a button to our screen. So we'll drop that into our constraint layout. Okay, so we'll just leave the ID as button and we're going to change the text to something that says show alert. And we're going to create a connection with the borders by clicking all the blue buttons for our button. Right, so we've got that done. So our button now is sitting on the top left corner of our screen. So that's it for the XML. Now we're moving on to the main activity, Kotlin. So this is where all the fun begins. And we'll start by calling the button inside the onCreate. We're not going to create a new object as Android Studio detects that we already have a button object over there on the XML. So I'll type the name of the button, the ID of course. So it's going to pop. Okay, so we have the button from activity-main.xml. Choose that and then dot. We're going to set a listener here, set on click listener. Okay, so this will allow the button to do something when a user clicks on it. Okay, we'll start by creating a new object. We're going to call it dialog builder of the type alert dialog. So from the steps, we're going to add a alert dialog builder. So alert dialog dot builder. Okay, and then this. So this refers to this particular button object that we're going to display. So right now we are defining the dialog box that's going to be displayed. So dialog builder dot set message. So I'm gonna type something that says do you want to close this dialog box? Okay, so my Mac is taking a while. It's an old machine, what do you expect? Okay, next. We're going to add a set cancelable to false. So this would prevent the user from tapping anywhere else on the screen to make the dialog box disappear. So we're going to add a positive button, and we're going to display proceed and dialog interface dot. Okay, on click listener. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, so that's done. Okay, so we have a dialog interface and then I. Okay, so it's taking a while. And finish. So we have the positive button there, and now we're gonna add a negative button. So we have OK and cancel, or in this case proceed. Set negative button. So we're gonna display cancel, and again we're going to pop the dialog interface. Oops. Okay, dialog interface dot on click. Oops, messed up. Okay, let's backtrack. Yeah, let's backtrack. Okay, so dot on click listener. I'm going to choose the second one. Okay, so I have my dialog interface and I, and finally dialog dot cancel. Okay, oops, sorry. We have dialog interface, so we're going to type that as dialog interface. Okay, dot cancel with our parentheses. Forgot that one. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now we're going to actually create the alert button. So we have set the attributes for it. So val alert dialog builder dot create and alert dot set title alert dialog example. Okay, and then alert dot show. Right, so that's all for our codes. Everything is in place and I have my phone connected, and now it's time to test it out. So click the green play button. Okay, so as you can see here, the app is running on my phone. So when I click this button, it displays the alert dialog box. So we have two buttons over here, the cancel and proceed. Well, it does practically nothing, but so it either closes the alert window or it closes the app, because we've put the finish function in one of the buttons. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and see you guys later in my next tutorials. Thanks for watching.